So what if I told you that this anime-style wireless earbuds under 100 bucks sounds better than some that cost twice as much? Meet the Moondrop Robin, stylish, detailed, and full of surprises, but are they the real deal or just hyped in a holographic box? Let's check it out.
Time again, couldn't lose you in the end. But if you call my name, it'll be okay. I'm never gonna leave without you. I'm never gonna leave without you.
So the first thing is that the design is absolutely stunning. The anime theme and the holographic finish, as well as a collectible stand in the box. It's more than just an earbuds, it's a full unboxing experience. And second, the sound quality you get is excellent. You get an IEM style tuning, which is balanced, very clean and detailed. It's not too bass heavy, but really precise across all frequencies. Thirdly, it's packed with features: Bluetooth 5.4, LDAC and LC3 support, multi-point, Bluetooth in-ear detection, low latency gaming mode, and more features you usually find in much pricier models. And fourth is also the battery life, which is very solid, and you get 9 hours of playback on a single charge and 30 additional hours with the case, and you also get wireless charging with the case. And fifth, it's lightweight and comfortable. No stem style design here, just a clean ergonomic fit, which is very comfortable. So what could be better? First is the ANC, which is decent but not great. It does reduce low background noise but struggles with high-pitched noises and wind. It helps, but they are just not flagship ANC earbuds performance here. Secondly, there's no manual EQ. You only get 5 EQ presets in the app, so if you want to fine-tune your sound, you can use some of the community design presets. And thirdly, the fit won't work for everyone. This IEM style nozzle sits slightly deeper inside the ear. It's great for sound isolation but might be uncomfortable for over long sessions of use for some people. Fourth, there is no IP rating, so no water resistant. You want to avoid this using it in the gym or maybe in the rain. Fifth is the app, which is sometimes still a little bit buggy. It's improved after certain updates, but you might still run into occasional issues like the EQ settings not saving, or perhaps the battery life of one earbud just suddenly not showing, things like that. So the Moondrop Robin comes in at a price of $100 or roughly 535 Malaysia ringgit. So do check out my links below for the latest pricing. And if you find value in what you hear and like what you see, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. So sound-wise, the Robin offers a very high-quality IEM style signature. Different from the typical consumer-grade V-shaped tuning, it aims for a more neutral sound where the bass, mids and highs sit on the similar frequency plane. So the sub-bass is clean and tight with good presence but not exaggerated. It's very well articulated. You can think of it like a clean bass guitar, not kind of like a booming subwoofer. The mid bass is smooth and not too aggressive. So vocals are centered and clear with great separation. Male and female vocals sound natural and undistorted even at higher volumes. The treble is sparkly and airy without being harsh. You won't get that muffled top end you sometimes hear in cheaper wireless earbuds. Overall, it sounds more like a wired IEM than the typical TWS earbuds. Very impressive tuning for this price point. So this is a test to see if the Moondrop Robin is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is speaking in relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So the Robin earbuds is really unique and beautifully designed. I like the earbuds, and I also like the way Moondrop designed it, coupled with the very nice cute voice prompts you get together with these earbuds. It's really quite a nice combination. The case here is a nice white plastic case, very high quality, and with a very nice anime design at the top here that is also holographic. Behind that you also get a Type-C charging port to charge it up. And technically that makes up the entire external design of the case. The lid here does stay open for you to access your earbuds inside, but they are loose, so if you slam it hard enough, it should slam shut. And inside you do get even more anime design, and you can see the whole design language here is very anime, I would say. I'm not a big fan of anime, so I'm not too sure how usually looks like, And the earbuds inside looks really nice, and you also get a nice Robin font here. There's also an LED in the middle here, so as you pop your earbuds in, you should be able to see the LEDs. So the earbuds that you get here is a very IEM style design, no stem style design this time, and it fits me pretty nicely and comfortably. And you also get some similar design cues on the earbuds itself. And you can see the colored part in the middle here, and Moondrop says that this is a 3D printed cavity to hold all the components inside, and it's also great and has a very nice colorway to it. You do see some sparkles on it as well. So with these earbuds, you also get an in-ear sensor, making this quite a comprehensive set of earbuds. And on top of that, in typical Moondrop awesomeness, you're also going to get a nice case to go with your new earbuds to protect it. So everything you get is inside the box, and also some ear tips for you to choose from. So having this case here is a really nice touch to this earbud, so you don't really have to buy a third-party one. So comfortable listening volume for me starts at around 20%, which is very early in the range, meaning with these earbuds you're going to get very good performance in the battery department. Since you don't have to play it loud, when it gets upwards of 80% volume, it starts to get really loud, and anything above that is too loud for me. So with the Robin app, you get a one-page control for your earbuds, which is very convenient. Fortunately, Moondrop released a version 1.3 update since the older version is missing the battery percentage indicator. With the new release, you get that update in the app. Below that is also a volume bar, and after that you also get to toggle the ANC or transparency mode. Clicking inside lets you rearrange the ANC button and how you want to toggle it. So next to that is also your sensor setting, whether you want in-ear detection and also One Ring 2, which is your multi-point connectivity. And if you have an LDAC or LC3 capable device, you'll also see the settings here to toggle it. So you also get to toggle the EQ controls, and here you get up to 5 presets here to choose from, and also a new feature called Online Interactive DSP, where you get to download different EQs online, and you also get to adjust your own 5-band EQs. And once you find something that you like, you can also upload them online so other people can also access them. This is also available only in their latest earbuds update, so make sure you update your earbuds once you get them. So you also get an in-app instruction guide, which is very convenient, and also to update your firmware when you get a new one. So from my test, ANC on these earbuds is decent, not the best in its class, but this is a good enough job to get you some form of serenity. But I noticed that you need music playing to really get the most out of the ANC. In low humming noises like airplane cabin noises or road noise tests, you do get some lowering of these noises when using it in ANC mode, and you still hear them coming through, but with music playing, it does mask it out quite effectively. With high-pitched chatters, especially in a noisy cafe, you do hear the environmental noise reduce, but if there are people talking near you, you definitely can hear them. With music, it does its job well, and you do get some isolation from the external noises, but they definitely could be stronger. Wind noise is not especially good here, and with a fan blowing next to you, you'll be hearing quite a bit of strong wind buffering, and also when you're outdoors, you can also hear wind buffering quite clearly. Transparency here is decently good. It gives you a very open feeling with a mild amplification to let environmental noise through, but you still need to lower down your music volume to really hear announcements. Overall, I'm giving the Robin and ANC performance of 7.9 out of 10. So the latency on the Robin is great, especially when you turn it into low latency mode. When enabled, Robin says, "Let's enjoy the movie together," something like that, and it significantly improves latency performance. So playing games like PUBG sees very little delay and is very enjoyable, and this also works great with movies and videos. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds.
Let the show begin!
So to wrap it up, the Moondrop Robin is one unique, well-balanced wireless earbuds I've tested in this price range. It's not perfect, especially in the ANC department, as well as the app polish, but the sound, design, and feature more than makes up for it. If you're a fan of IEMs, anime aesthetics, or just want something different from the mainstream, then this might be the earbuds for you. If you also want to check out other IEM reviews on my channel, click on this playlist right over here, or if you want to check out another video, click right over on this video, and I'll see you over at those videos.